In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Coinbase Wallet, now known as Base, and I'll walk you through both base mode and advanced mode so you can follow whichever interface you're using. This is a very common transfer, especially if you want to move your crypto off the exchange and into a self-custody wallet for DeFi, NFTs, or long-term holding. Before we begin, a quick and important disclaimer. I am not responsible for any lost funds. Always double check wallet addresses, networks, and amounts before confirming any crypto transfer. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Coinbase wallet app, now known as just Base. This is the wallet where you'll be receiving your crypto. Once the app is open, tap on the wallet icon to make sure you're viewing your main wallet screen. Then, look at the top right corner and tap on the scan QR icon. From here, tap on Receive. Coinbase Wallet will now show your wallet address. Carefully copy the wallet address. This is the address you will paste into Coinbase when sending your crypto. Make sure you copy it exactly. Sending to the wrong address can result in permanent loss of funds. Now that you have your wallet address copied, let's move on to the Coinbase app. Method 1. Transfer using base mode. Open the Coinbase app and make sure you're logged in. From the home screen, tap on Home, then tap on Transfer. Next, choose Send Crypto. This tells Coinbase you want to send crypto out of the exchange. Paste the Coinbase wallet address you copied earlier into the address field. Now choose the crypto asset you want to send. Make sure this matches the asset you plan to receive in Coinbase Wallet. Enter the amount you want to transfer. After that, tap Preview. This screen lets you review all the details, the address, the asset, the amount, and any network fees. If everything looks correct, tap Send Now. Coinbase will process the transaction and may ask you to complete security verification. Method 2. Transfer using advanced mode. If you're using advanced mode, the process is very similar, just with slightly different navigation. In the Coinbase app, go to Portfolio. From Portfolio, tap on Withdraw, then select Withdraw Crypto. From here, all the remaining steps are the same. Paste your Coinbase wallet address, choose the crypto asset, enter the amount, preview the transaction. Confirm and send. Coinbase will then process the withdrawal. And once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, your crypto will appear in your Coinbase wallet. Transfer times can vary depending on the network and congestion, so don't panic if it takes a little while. And that's it. You've successfully transferred crypto from Coinbase to Coinbase Wallet using either base mode or advanced mode. Once again, remember, always double check addresses and details. I am not responsible for any lost funds. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.